how to see your Snapchat call history. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to see your full Snapchat call history, including past voice and video calls as well. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon, which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you are in your profile section, just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the settings section, simply scroll down to the bottom and there you can see the option labeled as My Data. So simply tap on it. And now here in this section, Snapchat will ask you to log in again to verify your identity. So simply log in using your credential, and once logged in, you'll see the list of all the data option. So here you simply have to scroll down, and here you simply have to enable the chat history, spotlight, shopping, support history, ranking and location, other medias, orders, my AI, and other things that you would like as well. And here, once you're done with it, simply have to tap on next. And now here on the next page, you simply have to choose the date range like last week, last month, last year, or all time. And once ready, you simply have to tap on submit, and Snapchat will start preparing your data, and after that you'll get an email once it's ready. So here you simply have to open that email, and after that you simply have to tap on download, and after that your data will be saved as a zip file, and with that you can go to the files app and found the zip app and download it and extract it as well. And with that, you can open the extracted folder and look for the HTML file. And there you can tap on it to open. And after that, you can scroll down until you see the talk history. And that's it. That's how you can see your full Snapchat call history. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.